I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about what dry fasting is. Dry fasting means that you consume absolutely nothing when you're fasting. So it means no water, no juice, just dry air. Now, dry fasting has its uses and its places, but by and large, it's not recommended for most people. Dry fasting also mustn't necessarily be categorized as a long-term fasting option. One of the ways we use dry fasting at Detox the World is as a tool for creating a sense of abstinence before the first thing is taken in during the day. So the first thing may be water followed by juice, but before the water, we want to establish a period where nothing is consumed. So we would call that dry fasting. You may dry fast for a couple of hours before you take in your water and before you take in your vegetable juice.